or, or.
Used to change or correct something you have said.
We told the truth, or most of it. Rosalind, or Roz to her friends, took the initiative. Things have been going quite well recently. Or they were, up until 2 days ago.
Used to say what will happen if another thing does not happen.
We must be there by 6, or else we'll miss the beginning. Manufacturing. Manufacturing. Manufacturer, manufacturing, manufacture.
The business of producing goods in large numbers.
Car or food manufacturing. The manufacturing of military equipment. The manufacturing industry. Conservation. Conservation.
The protection of nature.
Wildlife conservation. Conservation groups.
Reveal. Reveal.
Reveal. Reveal.
Revelation, reveal.
To give someone a piece of information that is surprising or that was previously secret.
He was jailed for revealing secrets to the Russians. It was revealed in this morning's papers that the couple intend to marry.
Independence. Independence.
Independence, dependence, depend, dependent, independent, independently.
When someone looks after themselves and does not need money, help or permission from other people.
It's important that parents should allow their children some independence.
When a country has its own government and is not ruled by another country.
Mexico gained its independence from Spain in 1821. Justice. Justice. Justice, injustice, just.
Behavior or treatment that is fair and morally correct.
There's no justice in the world when people can be made to suffer like that. The winner has been disqualified for cheating, so justice has been done.
The system of laws which judges and punishes people.
The justice system in this country consists of a series of law courts at different levels. The police are doing all they can to bring those responsible for the bombing to justice. They are victims of a miscarriage of justice. Criticize. Criticize. Critic, criticism, criticize, critical, critically. Criticize.
To say that someone or something is bad.
The government is being widely criticized in the press for failing to limit air pollution. The film was criticized for being too violent.
Investigation. Investigation.
Investigation, investigator, investigate.
When officials try to discover all the facts about something, especially a crime or an accident.
To carry out or hold an investigation. An investigation has been underway for several days into the disappearance of a 13-year-old boy.
protection, protection,
protection, protect, protective.
The act of protecting or state of being protected.
This coat doesn't provide any protection against the rain. Their tent gave or offered little protection against the severe storm. New legislation still does not offer adequate protection for many endangered species. Replace, replace, place, replacement, displacement, place, replace, displace, misplace.
To start to be used instead of the thing or person that is being used now.
This system will replace the old one. Tourism has replaced agriculture as the nation's main industry. Donation, 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 donor, donate.
When money or goods are given to help a person or organization.
Donations of food and money. I'd like to make a small donation in my mother's name. Burglar, 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 burglary, burgle.
A person who illegally enters buildings and steals things.
I saw someone climbing in through a window and assumed it must be a burglar. Fed up, fed up.
Annoyed or bored by something that you have experienced for too long.
I'm fed up with my job. He got fed up with all the traveling he had to do.
tremendous, tremendous,
Tremendous, tremendously.
Extremely good.
I think she's doing a tremendous job. He's been a tremendous help.
Very large, great, strong, etc.
A tremendous amount of money. Crack, crack.
To break something so that very thin lines appear on its surface but it does not separate, or to become broken in this way.
A stone hit the window and cracked the glass. I cracked my tooth when I fell. The walls cracked and the roof collapsed in the earthquake.